welcome back to a small engine tutorial. Today we have this TALON Mach 460 lawnmower, and in our previous video we fixed the pull starter. So unfortunately the engine still won't start. So today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and repair this unit, and we'll get this one running again. And let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to check if there's a fuel. Obviously there's a fuel, and the second thing we're going to check is if there's a spark. So we're going to test the spark by removing the spark plug. So here we're using a M21 socket or spark plug socket. So the spark plug is a Torch F6 RTC. And it's pretty much very coated with carbon. So we'll try this one. Either you can clean this one or just replace it with a new one. You can use the GX35, sorry, the GX160 spark plug. Should fit the same. So first is we'll try this one with a new spark plug. First is we need to test for a spark. So I will insert this one into the spark plug boot cover and ground the body of the spark plug into the chassis, engine chassis, and we'll pull the pull starter. So we'll look closely on the spark plug gap and we'll pull the starter. There's no spark, so we'll try to replace the spark plug with a new one. So this is a replacement F6 DC CDK. Okay, we'll see if we have the spark. Okay, so there's a spark. So we'll try this spark plug and we'll start engine. the engine starts after replacing the spark plug. That was an easy fix. So you want me to show you how to rebuild this carburetor, but at this time there's no point to do the carburetor rebuild. Maybe in the next time I will do, and I'll show you how to fully rebuild the carburetor for this particular engine, especially for the Talon. So thanks for watching, and I'll show you in the next video how to service this engine, change the oil and change the air filter. Spark plug, we already changed it. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share, and I'll see you next time, and bye for now.